everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious Chapli Kebab. And these Chapli Kebabs are made with bison, ground bison. Delicious bison patties. And I will show you today how to make bison patties at home. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to need. Ground bison. If you haven't tried, please try it. It's very tasty, very delicious. 1.25 pound and it's 567 gram and 20 ounce. 2 potatoes, and these potatoes are boiled. 1 red onion, 1 tomato, half cup besan, which is gram flour, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon each, ginger, green chili, 1 teaspoon, cilantro, 2 teaspoon, ajwain, this is a carom seed, cumin seed, turmeric powder, half teaspoon each, and then olive oil. The first step will be get a big mixing bowl. So we're going to push all these on the back, and I will show you in an easier way, step by step, from start to finish. So get a mixing bowl. 2 things you can do. You add the ground bison and all the spices along with potatoes. Then with the hand you mix it well. You can do it with the hand. If you don't feel comfortable by doing it with the hand, then you can use a spoon, fork and mix it with that. If you're mixing everything with the hand, then you don't have to worry. Just dump everything, then basically knead a dough and mix it. Easiest and simplest method. Before we bring the big mixing bowl, we're going to get a smaller mixing bowl and we're going to add all the dry spices in there along with besan, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seed, carom seed, turmeric powder, and lastly cilantro. Now mix it well. This is going to be our spices along with besan. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to put it on the side, get a mixing bowl, and now we're going to get bison, and I'll open it. So once you place the bison inside, then you break it open, just like this. Now we're going to add green chili and mix it. Add ginger. Then we're going to add onion. And tomatoes. And keep mixing like this. Once it's nicely combined, add 2 teaspoons olive oil and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to add egg. Break open egg and mix it. So once egg is nicely combined, now we're going to add potatoes. I'm going to get a potato masher and we'll place the potato inside and we're going to squeeze it. Press it. The potatoes are nicely mashed. As you see, it's nicely done. Now we're going to mix it well. Once the ground bison is nicely combined with potatoes, now we're going to add the dry spices. Spread it evenly like this. Sprinkle like this. And now I'm going to mix it. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to add more basin and spices and mix it again. Once it's nicely combined again, and this is the last time, we're going to make sure we sprinkle all over and mix it well. And as you can see, it's nicely combined. So once all the spices are nicely combined, we're going to cover with the plate and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then we're going to make a Chapli Kebab, a bison patties. Waiting for 10 minutes. Prior to making the bison patties, mix it again one more time. Once it's nicely combined, get some oil, put it on your palm and on your finger. Get this much and then flatten it out. Just like this. And if they break open, just tap it on the side, and this is looking very nice patties. These are Bison Chapli Kabab or Bison Patties. If you haven't tried bison, try it. It tastes really well. The meat itself is very lean and it tastes really well. So I'm going to show you one more. So this is perfect, and I will finish up the same way. As you can see, we got 6, 11, and 12 nice big size patties. 12 Bison Chapli Kabab. Now go to our gas and we'll cook them. Start burner. Get a fry pan, add some oil. Make sure that the bottom is nicely coated. Once the pan heats up, bring your gas to medium. Now grab each Chapli Kebab, the bison patties. The tip is cook on medium gas. You don't want to cook on high gas, then it will burn up fast and it won't cook well. We're going to cook 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over. Exactly 5 minutes on medium flame. We're going to flip them over. The first 5 minutes we cook on medium flame. Now it's very important. On this side, we're going to bring the gas to low. On the low flame, we're going to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to flip them over. And then we'll cook additional 1 minute on the other side. It's exactly cooking for 10 minutes on a low flame. And now we're going to flip them over. Bring the gas to medium. And on this side, we're going to cook only 1 minute. And press it, just like this. On medium flame, cooking for 1 minute. I'm going to take them out. Get a paper towel on a plate, place it so that it can soak up extra oil. Look at that delicious Chapli Kebab. And this is a bison recipe, Bison Patties. Add some more oil. And on medium flame, so place it. And we're going to cook them the same way. 5 minutes on medium flame on this side. Flip them over, bring the gas to low and cook them for 10 minutes. Then 1 minute on the other side and it will be fully cooked. And then I will share with you. The second batch is also done. I'll take these out. Get a paper towel. I will soak up any extra oil. I'll take these all out and let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's very easy to make. It's very tasty and super delicious. Bison patties or Chapli Kebab. If you haven't tried ground bison, please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.